In this video, we are going to see how we can view our complete comment history on TikTok. So let's say that you have commented on a couple of videos and you want to see all of your comments. What you need to do is just head over to your profile icon on the bottom right hand corner. And from here, you will choose the three lines that we see on the top right hand corner and click on settings and privacy. From here, we have to find the activity center. It will actually appear in the content and display section, and there we have activity center. Click on that. It might need to verify you, and from here we can see our complete watch history and comment history, search history, and so on. So click on the comment history, and whatever comments you have recently done, it will appear from oldest to newest, or you can sort it from newest to oldest to newest. So that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.